Fun fact number 19, traveling. A wolf or pack of wolves can travel pretty long distances, up to 124 miles a day. Fun fact number 20, jaw strength. A wolf's jaw is capable of crushing with the power of 1,500 pounds per square inch. Fun fact number 21, dogs. Dogs were thought to have split from wolves somewhere between 27,000 and 40,000 years ago. Fun fact number 22, dog breeds. It might surprise you to learn that Shih Tzus, Pekingese, and Shar-Peis are some of the closest related dog breeds. Fun fact number 23, food. Wolves run a lot, and as such can eat up to 5 pounds of meat a day.